Like spaghetti and noodles with beef sauce? Yeah? What do you think? Is it weird? Is it weird? Is that weird? Andrew. Andrew.
Mary's like, I don't even care.
Hey. Is that better? You getting used to it now? First time you had spaghetti? First time.
The first time he had it, he was like,
You don't know what to think, huh?
yummy.
He likes it though.
Fat chance.
Here. Hey, open. Open. Andrew. Hey. Andrew. Look at us, not the dogs.
Oh yeah.